Now see, this is the question number 2, exercise 6.3, NCERT class 9. Now in this question, in figure 6.40, angle x equals to 62 degree and angle xyz is equal to 54 degree. Okay, this one, these two one, this one and this one. Okay, and one more thing, what is in the question? If YO and ZO, this YO and ZO, this one, are the bisector of angle XYZ, this XYZ and XZY. What are the bisector? Bisector are those which divide into two equal parts. Here these are the angle bisector. It means this one is equal to this one and this one is equal to this one. Okay, because it is given that these are the angle bisector, it means this one is equal to this one and this one is equal to this one. Okay, now in the question we have to find angle OZY. OZY means this one. You have to find this angle, this one. Okay, you have to find this angle OZY and YOZ. YOZ means this one. You have to find these two angles. Okay, now you know that this is the 54, this angle is 54 and this angle is 62. Now according to the theorem, the sum of the three angles of the triangle is 180. To find this angle, what you have to do? You have to sum these two angles and subtract that from 180. ठीक है, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि this angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to 180. ठीक है, this is equal to 180. So and these, you have the value of these two, that is 62 plus 84. मेक अ सम ऑफ दीज टू. ठीक है, फिर आपको उसको दूसरी साइड लेकर जाके 180 में से माइनस करना है. ओके, सो आई जस्ट मेक इट क्लीन, फिर मैं आपको समझाती हूँ. नाउ 54 plus 62 is equal to, this is 116. Now subtract this from 180, you will get 64. Now this is equal to 64 degree. ओके, सो इसका मतलब अब हमारे पास जो थर्ड साइड थी ट्रायंगल की वो भी आ गई है, डैट इज़ इक्वल टू 64 डिग्री. सो दिस वन इज़ योर 64 डिग्री. आई एम राइटिंग इट ओवर हियर. ठीक है, बिकॉज अभी मुझे और भी स्पेस की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, दैट्स वाई. 64 degree. Okay, now let us talk about the bisector. As you know that it is given in the question that YO and ZO bisect, are the angle bisector, bisect angle XYZ and angle XZY. It means these two are equals, and if these two are equals, you can write it as 27 and this one is 27. Okay, so these two are the 27, and let us count this one. These two are, this is 32 and this is again 32, because bisector means when the angle divided into two equal parts. ठीक है, अब हमारे पास ये 27 है, ये हमारे पास 32 है, हमें ये वाला एंगल फाइंड करना है, ये वाला एंगल. ओके, this is your 27, this is your 27 and this is your 32, and this, for finding this one you have to make a sum of these two and subtract that from 180, as these as according to the theorem the sum of the three angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. So 27 plus 32, this is 59, and subtract this from 180, subtract this from 180, you will get 121. Okay, how much? 121. 121 degree is the answer of this question.